Another typical day at the office. Business is back up this quarter. All is well. And there's your wonderful group of employees. They all look like they're working hard. That's what you need to hit your goals for next quarter. But do you know what sensitive data they have access to and whether your data is secure? If not, your organization is vulnerable to a data breach. That means people outside of your organization could gain unauthorized access to confidential or sensitive information. With Armarius, you can rest easy knowing your data is safe from all kinds of endpoint breaches. Here's Pam, your Employee of the Month. As usual, Pam is hard at work. But even great employees like Pam can expose your company to threats. Let's take a look. Pam doesn't realize she's typing an email with sensitive data attached. Fortunately, Armarius does. With Armarius, your data is secure. Not all data breaches are caused by malicious attacks. That includes situations like Pam's email. Even when there's no ill intent, your company still needs to be protected. But what about data breaches that aren't accidental? This is Jim. He has a more nefarious purpose in mind for your data. He's accepted a new job and has plans to make the next quarter big for him and his new company. Outside consultants or even your own employees can easily take all of your sensitive data by emailing their personal account or by using something as ordinary as a USB stick. Armarius identifies and tracks sensitive data files, then automatically enforces security policies, preventing policy violations and data breaches. With Armarius Software, your proprietary information is safe. Malicious behavior and insider threats are prevented, and you or your security team receives immediate notification when data breaches are attempted. With Armarius, you know now what you need to know. This also includes productivity concerns. Here's Michael. He's planned to check his social media accounts over lunch, but he lost track of time. Now, he's not only getting behind on his work, he may also be exposing your data to a possible breach. Many social networking sites are unsafe to use on your business network. Employees like Michael who think they're merely browsing social media for a quick break may put your data at risk of a virus or worse, ransomware. The Armarius User Behavior Analytics give you a comprehensive, easy-to-use workforce optimization software solution that captures and monitors user behavior and displays it in an easy-to-use dashboard. That means you can quickly analyze metrics and make data-driven decisions to optimize productivity and efficiency while keeping your data secure. Giving employees the ability to work remotely is another way that growing numbers of companies are maintaining productivity and efficiency throughout their workforce, even when people aren't in the physical office. This is Angela. She started her week at the office, worked from home the next day, and caught a flight for the business trip the day after that. With Armarius Software on your company's laptops, you can rest assured that the same IT policies that work in the office are there to protect your data from unauthorized access or accidental sending of sensitive information, even when your employees work off-site or travel for business. Armarius Software. Simply secure human intelligence for data loss prevention and user behavior analytics. Know now what you need to know.